It's beginning to look a lot.
Before I decorate, I want to show you what I got for Christmas decorations. The first thing I got is this little tree. It matches this basket that I already have in my room perfectly, so that's why I got it. And I got it from TJ Maxx, and it was around $13. And then I got this from Big Lots. It was around $6. I love these trucks so much, and it was like the cheapest thing I could find with trucks. And I also love pictures, so that's why I got this. And then I made this for my craft show. I have a video of me, I mean, it's not this string art, but if y'all want to, I can make this string art and show y'all how. But I have a video on how to make a different string art. It was a mason jar with the flowers. But I also got this from TJ Maxx, and it was around $10. Super cute, it lights up. And then I got this from, I'm pretty sure I got this from TJ Maxx too. And the reason why I got it is because, as you can tell, I kind of like this color a lot. It like kind of brings out Christmas. And I also have this pumpkin. And since I'm gonna be like during Christmas, since I'm not gonna be at my dorm, I decided that I'm gonna decorate a little bit early. I've had these decorations up a little bit, but I need to clean my room, so that's why I'm filming this. So I'm gonna leave maybe some pumpkins out, maybe this pumpkin out, just because they match so well. But that's why I got this. And then I also got this candle. Hold on, let me grab it. I also got this candle. And it's a similar color, and it has a little snowman on it, and it was $8 from TJ Maxx. And then I got this wreath, super cute, from TJ Maxx. And then I got this welcome mat, which is my favorite thing of everything that I got. It was $10, and out of all the mats that I've looked for, they were like $30, and they honestly were not that cute, so I'm super happy about that one. So I'm going to show you how I decorate.
Is the carol that you sing right within your heart? Sure, it's Christmas once more. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Take a look in the 5 and 10, glistening once again, with candy canes and silver lanes aglow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
This is what I ended up with. Like I said, I'm not gonna be here during Christmas, so I didn't go overwhelmingly Christmas. I didn't buy a lot. Just a little stuff to make me happy.
A pair of hop-on boots and a pistol that shoots is the wish of Barney and Ben. Dolls that will talk and will go for a walk is the hope of Janice and Jen. And Mom and Dad can hardly wait for school to start again. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. There's a tree in the Grand Hotel, one in the park as well, the sturdy kind that doesn't mind the snow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Soon the bells will start, and the thing that will make them ring is the carol that you sing right within your heart. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Soon the bells will start, and the thing that will make them ring is the carol that you sing right within your sure it's Christmas once more.